What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode, I will teach you how to create graphs with the help of ChatGPT. So you need to follow my step and you pretty much can do it. So first of all, you need to access this website, termboard.com, and after that, just go back to ChatGPT. And the fastest way to create graphs is using table. So just need to search for a table on ChatGPT, and after that just go back to term board, click edit, and click this bulk add ChatGPT. And after that, just go back to ChatGPT again and copy your table with the term like that, term and definition, and copy paste it to this term right here and bulk add. And after that, it's up to you to how to make your relations. So for me, I'm just going to make random relation. So it's up to you how to make your relation until you finish all terms and relations, and until you make a whole new graph. And that's it. That's how you make graph on ChatGPT with the help of termboard. And after you finish doing your graph, if you want to save it, just go to this file and save it to storage. Make sure to name your document. So go to name it graph. And after that, you're done. That's how you make graph on ChatGPT with the use of Termboard. And also that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.